Morrow with it. Near side for Stankoven. Half minute to go on the penalty. Back out for Burns, a shot. Score! Penalty expires. So the Hurricanes kill it off. Here comes Boquist. Nice move to the inside. He scores! Clears the zone for Kachuk with Bennett. Mikkola joining as well. Bennett for Mikkola. Score!
The third one of the game for the Panthers.
Here is Barkov to the net. Score! 3 goals on 7 shots for the Panthers here in the third period. Barkov has one of them. Score! Our foot to hit by Boquist. 2-on-1. Lundell with Marchand. Lundell across. Marchand scores!